Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for Valorant. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Then, import your recorded Valorant gameplay footage by dragging and dropping it into the media pool. It's crucial to organize your clips into separate bins, perhaps by match or highlight type, for a streamlined editing process. Ensure your project settings, like resolution and frame rate, match your source material, commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second, to maintain optimal quality throughout your edit. Now, let's dive into essential editing techniques. Begin by trimming and cutting your raw footage to isolate those incredible kill streaks or clutch moments. Drag these selected clips onto your timeline. To emphasize a particularly impressive shot, apply speed ramps, slowing down the action to perhaps 25% of its original speed for a dramatic effect, then speeding it back up. Remember to add subtle transitions, like a cross-dissolve lasting about 10 frames, between your clips to ensure a seamless and engaging viewing experience for your audience. Next, elevate your Valorant edits with powerful color grading and visual effects. Navigate to the color page to perform basic color correction, adjusting exposure and contrast to make your footage pop. Then, apply a cinematic look using color grading tools. Experiment with visual effects from the effects library, like a subtle glow around a headshot or a quick lens flare on an ultimate ability. Utilize keyframes to animate these effects, ensuring they appear precisely when needed, adding an extra layer of polish and excitement to your gameplay highlights. Finally, it's time to export your finished Valorant masterpiece. Head over to the Deliver page. Here, you'll configure your export settings. For platforms like YouTube, select the H.264 codec, a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and a frame rate of 60 frames per second. Set the quality to best for maximum visual fidelity, aiming for a bitrate of around 25 to 50 megabits per second. Choose a suitable file name and location, then click Render All to create your high-quality video for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.